Oh, I'm so excited to bring you these fabrics, and we are going to do them all at $10.99 today. Oh my goodness. This is a poly cotton. It's like that second skin. It's really, it's thin, but it's, boy, the drape and the density is just really stunning. So it's a beautiful, I don't even know, kind of a reddish brown color. It's so pretty. It blends with this just like perfectly. Look at these two together. If you did a top using both of them, or even this has stretch in one direction. This has stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly. This is they're both cotton polys. This just has stretch in both directions. I think these are so pretty together. I love them. And then this is also blends really well. It's kind of a rose color. This is a French terry, so it's got that suede feel to it. It's got stretch in both directions. Oh, it's so soft. It's wonderful. And of course, all of them go with this. Isn't that beautiful? This is 100% cotton stripe, $10.99. Gorgeous piece. Great selvage if you decide to use it, but you can see it even goes to the dark if you decide to go. This is 100% rayon. Beautiful line, beautiful drape, just a really pretty piece. And then I put this in because I felt like if you wanted to go, these are all Merlette. If you wanted to do a little print with that, I thought that was really pretty, but it also went with these. See how pretty that roses with this? Isn't that beautiful? $10.99 for these fabrics, you guys. We're giving away. Anyway, the goal, beautiful, is to have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.